Let's start. First step, Qigong practice. Start from the bottom near the earth. Try to do 9 times to each exercise. Wiggle each ankle round and round with leisurely breath. In the center of soul, front of the arch, where is hollow, you can find Kundalini Channel 1. It's one of the important SHIATSU Meridian points, called the bubbling spring. To provide a massage this point, you stimulate the brain, nervous system, and strengthen the internal organs. It's effective for preventing aging and decrepitude. Unite legs and turn knees widely and slowly, 9 times for each. Remember breathing. Try to breathe by nostril. Inhale, exhale. Change the direction. Try to make sound and vibration with throat. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now open and close knees. Keep straight the back. Keep ground toes and heels. Don't worry if the arch go up. Remember breathing. Change the direction. Remember breathe by nostril. Inhale, exhale. With throat sound and vibration. It's massage your nervous system. Open legs as shoulder-wise. Turn the middle widely and slowly. Remember the breath by the nostril. Inhale, exhale. Change the direction. Turn middle widely and slowly. Inhale and exhale. Remember breathe by nostril. Attention! Don't do next exercise. Person who has back pain problems. Open legs, straddle. It's the samurai knight's position. Bend knees a bit to be flexible. Keep the left position. Inhaling, go down, front. Exhaling, stand up. Change turn. Keep mind, don't move under the pose. Attention! The knees and toes must be always pointing in the same direction, and the knees don't come out in front of the toes. Inhaling, go down, front, exhaling, stand up. Close the legs. Turn your shoulders. Up, back, down, front. Up, back, down, front. Inhale, exhale. Change the direction. Back, up, front, down. Keep mind to turn widely. Inhale, exhale. Turn your arms like swimming back. Pass near ears. Try to stretch your arms. Change the direction. Try to stretch your arms as much as possible and go up as high as possible. Down both arms and rise both arms to show the height. Exhaling, down arms. Inhaling, rise arms. Move your wrists flexibly. Focus your palms on the breath. Move arms to left and right. Close your eyes. Imagine your arms become a light silk scarf. It's very light and soft, but it has its weight. It remains in the air. Open eyes. Raise both arms to the shoulder height. Closing fingers one by one. Bring your arms to chest. Turn hand outside. Return the first position. Continue. Inhaling, bring arms to the chest. Exhaling, turn outside and return. Down arms. Try to be grounding. Turn the head. Keep shoulder down and flexibly. Attention, remain in the front. Don't move to back. Keep stay in the front. Inhale. Exhale. Change the direction. Keep down the shoulder. Remain in the front. Keep mind the breathing. Inhale. Exhale. That's all for today. Thank you for joining us. Keep going the practice. See you.